court fines influencer Very Dark Man 200,000 naira, dismisses objection in Falana Falz 1 billion naira defamation suit. The Falanas are seeking 500 million naira each in damages. A court declaration affirming that VDM's post was libelous and harmful to their reputation, and a perpetual injunction preventing him from publishing similar content in the future. The Lagos State High Court sitting in Ikeja on Tuesday fined social media influencer Martin Zotz, popularly known as Very Dark Man VDM, 200,000 naira and dismissed his preliminary objection in a 1 billion naira defamation suit filed by human rights lawyer Femi Falana and his son, rapper and activist Falana Falz, aka Falz. Justice Fimisola Aziz ruled against the defendant's challenge to the court's jurisdiction, ordering VDM to pay 100,000 naira each to the two claimants and to file his defense against the defamation claims immediately. The lawsuit stems from a video posted on Instagram by VDM on September 24, 2024, which allegedly contained defamatory remarks based on an audio recording by controversial crossdresser Bobrisky. The recording accused human rights lawyer Femi Falana and his son, musician and activist Falz, of obstructing justice.
So before I go on, everything in this video is allegedly. Alright, so it's time to give you people another call recording of Bobrisky when he was in detention. Now, this one has a lot of details. This one is well detailed. So now go see how everything play. You understand? Not the part 2 of the other one. This one is another one. Now, this one was recorded on the 16th of May, 2024. Now, the reason why I want to post this one now is because, to be honest, I was waiting for people that said they want to file a lawsuit to file the lawsuit. The ones where they say he made an innuendo, he did this one, do this one. In all honesty, yeah, I was waiting for that. But as nobody don't send the paper here, maybe they fit send them tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. They fit send them today. Today is Monday. You understand? But before they do it, let me post. Now, no law. When I know innuendo. My own be say the corruption that went down in that prison must be unveiled. And anybody that has a hand in it must be casted. You understand? Anyways, let's start.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, hi.
Bob, how you doing?
I'm okay.
You know, are you out yet?
I'm not out yet.
Oh my God.
Okay, so quick one. I don't have enough time because, I just had to, the reason why I'm even trying to talk to you about this is obviously I've not been talking to anybody. People have been sending me so much messages about I've not been responding because I don't want anybody to know I have my phone.
Yeah.
So
First things first, I don't want anybody to know I have my phone. That is why Bobrisky have not been responding to people sending me messages. But let's continue.
I don't want to talk to somebody that I know that I can trust. Yeah. So obviously you knew what happened to me, right? Mm-hmm. So before the EFCC, of course they were investigating me, about the cars, money and everything, all this while. So I knew one day they will come for me like this because of the noise and all that. But it's fine. So when they were investigating me, they blocked my account, they freezed my account. Obviously, they don't want me to do any transaction on it while they're doing their ongoing investigation.
Now, before we continue, the revelation of EFCC in the House of Rep, EFCC said they never froze his account. Now, Bobrisky is saying his account was frozen. Let's continue.
So, but I'm so glad that they did not. At first, they added money laundering charges in their charge because of the money they saw in my account and all the money that passed through my account. At least they were able. So they just asked some money, but we're able to beg them and give them some money so they can drop the money laundering charges with us.
Now, he said they saw some money in his account and some money that passed through his account. So they investigated him for money laundering. But they begged and they paid the FCC some money and the money laundering charges were dropped. This is another recording entirely. So let's continue anyways.
I can't be facing money laundering charges. God forbid. You know, spraying of money. I don't say that one. They're looking for something to just hold me. They're just eat that. It's not like I'm the only one that sprayed money.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people spraying money out there. Plenty. But you want to convince me because of spraying money. And that's quite weird. But me, I'm strong. And I'm ready for anything that comes my way. Because I don't know. No, obviously, I knew the ONV, AIDS, the ITAR, Shana only I knew one day to get to this, you know. And another thing that made me happy was the fact that they did a proper investigation on me and they noticed that I am not into money laundering and I'm not into fraud. Yeah. Every money, the car, they came to my house, they carried my car now. They carried my car, they carried everything, you know, because they were doing, they thought coming to me, they will see people I do business with.
So EFCC went to his house, they carried his cars. While we were out in the House of Rep, EFCC said they did not freeze his account. Now, Bobrisky is saying his account was frozen and EFCC even went to his house to carry his car. Let's continue. This ring lights, bless you, don't do week.
WhatsApp or an email. But it also that they were not able to find any of such. My money is legit. I keep saying this thing, but people don't believe. They think I'm...
The Falanas are seeking 500 naira million each in damages. A court declaration affirming that VDM's post was libelous and harmful to their reputation, and a perpetual injunction preventing him from publishing similar content in the future. They are also demanding a public apology to be published on VDM's social media platforms, as well as in a national newspaper. During Tuesday's proceedings, Mr. Falana was absent but represented by his legal team, Ernest Olawanal and Femi Akinyemi. Falz was present in court, while VDM was absent but represented by his counsel, Marvin Amarab. The matter was adjourned to July 8th for further mention.